gosh, over 20 years.
Yeah.
We get to talk about something that is another really practical idea. In fact, these little guys, when Alice and I had our boat together,
Yeah.
we had these, well, I think we had one in both bedrooms and one in the salon. So yeah, the 3-pack. What are they? They're smoke detectors, but they are also tiny, tiny, tiny. Let me show you. Here's my little finger. You can see how teeny weeny these are, but they are powerful in terms of the decibel of the sound that comes out. Everybody's gonna know there's an issue. You need to get out and get out fast. It'll wake you and your family up if it's in the middle of the night. But what I'm so excited about, this is a 2-pack. So they are both a smoke alarm and a carbon monoxide.
Right. 2 smoke alarm, 1 carbon monoxide.
Oh,
Yep.
that's how it goes.
Yep,
Ah,
absolutely.
with that
I
third
know,
is that
it's a
carbon
little,
monoxide.
yeah, exactly.
Thank you. I'm so glad
we
it's
cover
both.
it all. Yeah.
I really love that.
Yeah.
Welcome back. Good to see you.
Good to see you. Yeah, absolutely. I know. I hate to tell America this, Callie, but I think you may, or maybe your older brothers and sisters maybe, are old enough to remember this, right? This is, when you think smoke detector, you think of this guy, right? Well, this technology is almost as old as I am, Callie. It's crazy. This was invented in the 60s or 70s.
And you're
and
old.
This I'm telling you. And this technology has really been far surpassed by the folks at Samurai. This technology, the ones that you got frustrated with because they go off all hours of the night, or the batteries, you constantly paying money to replace the batteries, you don't need this anymore. This is the solution. This is the smoke detector from the folks at Samurai. If you don't know the brand, you need to get to know Samurai, because they're in almost 500,000 homes just at HSN with the best technology. Photoelectric sensors, the latest technology, keeping you and your family safe. Now, we know what a smoke detector does, right? If you place it up, normally you have to get on a ladder. This you don't have to. We want this over 6 feet, so just place it as high as you can reach on the wall comfortably. We even give you peel and stick. When you have smooth walls, you can peel and stick, and you don't even have to drive a screw. But here's what it really boils down to. If there's smoke in your house, all you have to do is hear this sound. This is 85 decibels. Now, with our microphones, I don't know if that's extremely loud at home or if it kind of dulls it down, but 85 decibel smoke alarm that will tell you and your family, hey, alert, alert. You got to get up and get out as fast as you can.
Wake you up.
We're giving you 2 of the smoke detectors here in these small little configuration, small but powerful. These have 10-year batteries inside. You never have to worry about dealing with this, right? The old batteries, this was such a pain. First of all, the old ones you had to get up on a ladder to install. Secondly, you had to keep buying these stupid 9-volt batteries, right? I'm trying to use nice language. But then this has a 10-year battery built inside. Our little tip is, when you get these home, there's a little tab. Just pull the tab and you're ready to go. Then you can mount it and have that safety for you and your family.
So 2 things on that, and don't forget you're also getting the carbon monoxide.
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
It's a 3-pack. It says a 2-pack, but that third is the carbon monoxide.
Important.
Very important. I lost my brother that way 30 years ago.
Oh no, I'm
Yeah,
sorry to hear
so
that.
it brings up a little,
Yeah.
so important. But other things I wanted to reiterate, 10-year battery and 10-year warranty. Does that mean that you're not going to have to get up on a ladder at 2 o'clock in the morning and try to, unscrew something? I mean, it happens to all of us. You start hearing the beep, and then it gets more frequent.
That's right.
10-year battery inside.
And you can place these out. You want to place them outside of every bedroom, first of all, to keep you safe at home at night when you're sleeping, right? Obviously. But you can also place these now, Callie, in the kitchen or just outside of the kitchen. You can put them in the hallways. You can put them in basements. You can put them in attics. You want complete coverage for smoke throughout your house, because you know how dangerous home fires can be. Now, I also want to talk to you about carbon monoxide. Now, carbon monoxide is the silent killer. Unfortunately, over 50,000 people a year in the United States go to emergency rooms because of carbon monoxide.
And you don't know
don't
it's
smell
happening.
it. You can't taste. You can't taste it. See it.
Nope.
I mean, smoke. You can see smoke. And one of the great smoke detectors, we all have one, is our nose, right?
Yeah.
You smell smoke.
But now with carbon
monoxide, you cannot smell it, and unfortunately, it is incraibly dangerous.
I would recommend travel with one of those.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
You hear about all these crazy things that happen on, for vacationers on islands and hotel rooms. You know what I'm saying? If it's a concern for you, they're small enough you could pop them into a bag.
Absolutely.
If you want to get more than one set, I would do it today, because these are $21 off per 3-pack. These are a birthday price. Our birthday ends in a little more than a week. The price will go back up. This weekend, too, a couple of things. You can do 5 flex on everything, which you pay a little, you get them right away. If you have an HSN card, you pay even less, but you'll still get them right away. And then there's even a special promo we're running this weekend with which is $40 as a gift to you for signing up for our HSN card. Take that opportunity. Go to hsn.com, call a toll-free number. We're gonna give you $40 towards your first purchase. If it's these, that makes your $86 3-pack of smoke alarms and carbon monoxide alarms 40, what does it make it? $25.
Wow.
$25. So another way to save. It's a huge, huge benefit.
Yeah, absolutely. And it's an investment in safety for you and your family. I mean,
Ugh.
you know, I have a lot of fun on air with the hosts and everybody here, but this is the one serious product I get to do because it's one of those products that can literally save your life or your family's life. And it's something to really think about. And we know why. Back in the day, I grew up in a mobile home. And the reason we didn't have smoke detectors in our house, unfortunately, was because we had them. But what happens is the old-fashioned smoke detectors up on the wall. In the middle of the night, you hear that beeping going off, and you're just like, what is that? First of all, you get up and you think, oh my gosh, there's a fire. Nope, it's just the smoke detector's battery is out. So you tear it off the wall, you throw it in the closet and say, forget it, I'm not ever dealing with that again,
and then
right?
you forget about
I mean,
it.
it's human nature, you have to sleep, you know, it's really annoying. Well, that's all been taken care of now by the folks at Samurai. This is photoelectric sensor, top of the line, look it up, do your research. But Samurai is the latest and greatest technology.
And we've been
Don't
selling
be
these
fooled
for
by the size.
years and years, and it is an
Absolutely.
amazing brand. Over 4,000 spoken for. You can see how quickly these are selling, and I'm so glad. If you're going to spend your money, spend it on something that literally could save a life. How important not only is your home, but the people in your home and our animals. And I mean, honestly, this is it's nothing to spend some money on something that is that important. And I do suggest getting a couple sets. Like I said, I mean, keep one in front of every bedroom, maybe one in the garage, maybe,
Think
what
about
other
all
places?
the sources of fire in your house. I
Right.
mean, in your kitchen, certainly. I mean, even for me out on the patio, I grill, right? So I'll have the door open and you're grilling, and that especially carbon monoxide can sneak into your home when you don't even know it. You don't even know that you're breathing it in. It crowds out oxygen inside your home. But these are, again, when you get these home, pull the tab on the bottom, peel and stick, folks. They've made it so simple you never have to worry about driving the screw. If you've got a smooth wall, you can just peel and stick. Place it at above 6 feet. So think about it. You don't have to get on a ladder. There's no excuses. They've taken away all the excuses. Think about if you're lucky enough to get a newer car, right, over the last few years, you want a car with the best safety equipment. You want all the extra airbags. You want the blind spot warning. I do. I love it. I want my wife to be protected. Well, what about those 8 hours or so at night while you're sleeping?
I know.
You want to be protected
Honestly.
and safe. This is the way to do it with the folks at Samurai.
Gosh, and it's a really nice loud sound.
It really is.
I have a question about those old-fashioned fire
Yeah.
alarms.
Yeah.
I mean, aren't they connected and wired to your home?
Well, some of them are.
Some of them are. So if you lose
bought
power.
Right. We bought a house and it had the wired smoke detectors in there.
Yeah.
And then we went up and tested it. We had the inspector come and look at the house. He said, those don't work. They don't work because they get so dirty. The little sensors inside of them will get so dirty, they start doing false alarm, and then they just cease to work. So if you think you have smoke detectors, if you're not testing them every 6 months, that's why they say, even for ours, we want you to test them. The good news is you don't have to go out and you don't have to buy a bucket full of 9-volt
Wonder
batteries.
how much that costs.
This is over $70 worth of batteries over a 10-year lifespan. So we're taking care of that. We want you to tune in, get these home, install them, be safer for you and your family, and come back and meet Callie and I will be here in 2033 for the next set of
There you
Samurai.
go. That's
How about
the next
that?
time you'll need
it's
another.
a date, 2033.
I mean, that's unheard of. You
that
hear about a
crazy?
year,
10 years worth of protection.
a 10-year battery life and a 10-year warranty on all 3 of them. I'm going to pick this up again. I wanted to show you. Look at how teeny and cute they are.
Amazing.
Seriously.
Yep.
That's why Alice and I were like, well, they're so cute and they worked really nice on the boat. Thankfully, we never had to, hear them go off.
Yeah.
But when you think about, yes, it's obvious when you know there's a smoke fire. There's, smoke coming from, you smell it. You don't smell carbon monoxide. ever at all.
Absolutely.
There's no color. It's literally, that's why they call it the silent killer, and it's so horrifying. We all read the headlines. We all hear the stories of that being I don't know if it's a leading cause, but it's a cause.
It's a big, yeah.
You just don't wake up, you know?
Yeah,
Hate to
and
be
that's-
too traumatic about it, but
No, I understand.
it's a very touchy subject in my family.
Yeah, absolutely. And it's one of those things you need to be protected from. And it's simple nowadays to do it without the false alarms, without buying the batteries, without having to get up on a ladder or have your son-in-law come over to install these. These are easy, folks. If you don't have smoke detectors, please, you know, I know HSN sells a lot of great products and I love to buy them myself, but the first and foremost, we want you to be safe and find a way to get these home and get them installed in your home. This is a great gift to someone because you love them and you want them to be safe and sound. My daughter moved away with a boy to Brooklyn, New York, and that's so far away, but I know she's safe because I sent her a set, so she's got,
I was just thinking
she's
that
completely
my
wrapped
son
up.
and his girlfriend.
I know, and
they
he's,
just
where
moved
is
in.
he? Where is
He's
he?
local now.
Oh.
So COVID brought him
How'd
home
you
to
get
me.
him back? We need to talk. I need
The
to find
benefits
out how
of
to get him
COVID,
back
I guess.
local, right?
But they live in this little apartment over a garage. It's old. I'm like,
Oh, there you go.
You know, you do feel better knowing, as a parent, there's a very few things you can do as your kids grow older, but that's one of them.
That's right.
So
We got that
I
one.
like
Check
it.
that box. That's right.
Matt, thank you so much.
Thanks, Cal.
Good to see you. The
Thanks,
item is
everybody.
725711. Again, 5 flex, 6 flex. Don't forget about that $40 to enjoy if you sign up for our HSN card. I noticed back here, see that?